What's going on YouTube? This is my 1986 Honda 125 Fourtrax, and I did a light restoration. That's the original plastics. I painted the frame. I left the motor completely untouched. I powder coated the wheels, the racks, recovered the seat, which is always huge. This ATV does have the plastic tank. Did not come with the metal tank. The front bumper, I actually had to source that off of eBay. Thank God somebody had that up in California, and it was in perfect condition. It wasn't bent, just did have it powder coated. The tires are Sun F, factory size tires. Really happy with that. I will say when you go with a very grippy rear tire though, it does struggle to turn a little bit, but it is what it is. It has a lot of grip now, so it can definitely pull. This ATV has reverse. A lot of these 125s only have high and low. That makes it really nice. So as you can see here, you have reverse, which is hitting the red button, neutral, super low, which is like first gear, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's really a 5-speed, but they call it super low for first. That is your neutral indicator right here. And it really is a nice ATV. I prefer this gearbox setup over the ATC 125. Now these are rigid frames, no suspension. So you have a solid front axle up front. You have mechanical drum brakes, front and rear. And they actually work really good when they work, of course. And then there's your rear drum, your rear chain guard, and this does have the factory Honda rear hitch, which is also powder coated. Rear rack, little storage container back here. These pop down, this folds up. So there's the original plastic bushings in here. It's a really nice ATV, really is. Also, I love this headlight guard. I think this was a Honda option. I don't see many of them with that. And I had that powder coated as well to give it a nice OEM look. Oh, Grant's making an appearance. But yeah, it's an excellent ATV. Now, the wheels. I decided to go with a little bit of a heritage to the 250R, right? I thought it'd be cool to do something unique. So what that is a chrome base coat with a gold candy on top to give it an anodized look. And if y'all like that, let me know. I'm pretty pumped about it. It really mimics that gold anodized look. Of course, no, it's not actually gold anodized, so it will look a little different, but the results were really good. And then good little 125 electric start. The exhaust on this bike was super clean. I did take it off and repaint it because you really want to preserve these things. You cannot buy an aftermarket muffler or an OEM replacement, so preserving things is very important to me. But overall, super rad little bike. Let's start it up so you can hear what it sounds like. Runs like new, no smoke. Mostly why I didn't take it apart or do anything with it, because it runs so good. Full start works. Everything works. Give it a little rev. If you like that video, smash that like button, subscribe, and thanks for watching, guys.